There. Ever wondered if you've got a secret admirer? You know, someone making you question if they're into you? Well, today, we're cracking the code on 8 subtle signs that someone might secretly have a crush on you. Number 1. Acting different. When someone likes you, they might not act like themselves around you. It's not uncommon for them to become a bit nervous or excited, leading to changes in behavior. Maybe they become more talkative, shy, or just seem a bit different from how they are around others. Pay attention to these shifts. Number 2. Getting close. Have you noticed someone consistently trying to be near you? Even if they don't initiate conversations, they might position themselves close by. It's like they enjoy being in your presence without necessarily saying anything. This proximity often indicates a liking or interest. Number 3. Always initiating. If someone is constantly the first to reach out to you, whether through texts, calls, or social media, that's a strong indicator of interest. It shows they're eager to connect and maintain communication, which is a clear sign they want to be a part of your life. Number 4. Catching their gaze. The eyes can reveal a lot. If you catch someone staring at you and they quickly look away or try to hide it, it's a classic sign of attraction. On the other hand, if they hold your gaze for longer than usual, it's a strong hint that they're interested. Number 5. Smiling lots. People tend to smile more when they're around someone they like. Watch for those genuine, often subconscious smiles. It could be a small, shy grin or a big, beaming one. Both can indicate that being around you makes them happy. Number 6. Showering compliments. When someone has a crush on you, they might notice and appreciate every little thing about you. They'll likely shower you with compliments, praising your actions, appearance, or even your personality more than others. Number 7. Keeping the chat alive. Try pausing a conversation and see if they make an effort to keep it going. Someone who's interested won't want the interaction to end abruptly and might take the initiative to continue talking or find new topics to discuss. Number 8. Making time for you. If someone rearranges their schedule or cancels plans just to spend time with you, it's a clear sign they prioritize you. They genuinely want to be around you and are willing to adjust their commitments to accommodate you. So, have you spotted any of these signs in your secret admirer? Or hey, are you unknowingly showing these signs yourself? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs this scoop. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks a ton for tuning in, and catch you in the next video.